Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how you can do keyword research with ChatGPT step by step, so please watch the video till the end. For this, you will need an extension named as AIPRM for ChatGPT. You will get this extension from Chrome Web Store and add to Chrome. Next, you will go to ChatGPT and here we will select SEO. After selecting SEO, you'll scroll down and click on keyword strategy. Now you'll select language from here. I'll select English. I'll write my keyword here. I'll write succulent plant and press enter. This is how you can do keywords research with ChatGPT in just few seconds. I hope this video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video.